Okay, this is the back portion, the two cleanouts. The trench is full because the pump is full as well. Now you can see it's gonna start flowing. You can see the leaves because now I activated the pump. So now you're gonna see the water is gonna start flowing to the front. The pit was full, so nothing was flowing. Look at the leaves slowly. Now they go. Okay, another day. Okay, as you can see, guys, the trench is empty. Look at the stream coming from the drainage that we have done. Look at that. The drainage is already working, diverting the water away. You can see strong stream into the pump pit. So all the water from the back, which I filmed you this morning, is running to the drainage, you can see, and then getting to the pit.